This is Ron Vargo with Peterbilt of Atlanta, down here in Jackson, Georgia. Today we've got a 2025 Peterbilt 579, 12,000 pound steer axles, 40,000 pound low air leaf rear suspension, 11R 22.5 tires, 293 gears, dual sided cab exhaust, stainless sun visor, chrome mirrors, chrome front bumper, got your forward facing radar, let's take a look underneath the hood. Here we have our 455 horse, 1650 torque, PACCAR mx13. Behind that, we've got the 12-speed automated transmission. Take a look inside. Cloth air ride driver's seat, cloth stationary passenger seat, safety triangles, toe pins. It already has a PTO switch in it in case you decide to run it with a PTO. Radio. Pre-wired for CB radio. We have multiple units available. There's 4 more over here. These are 186-inch wheelbase. So if you think you can use one or all of these units, give me a call. 706-372-4698.